Now? Now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please, please guys, please remind me that, sir, you are not recording. Why? Because sometimes, I may forget that to record. Clear? So I to the power of I, modulus of I to the power of I is what? E to the power of minus I by 2. Guys, remember this JE, this is JE point. Clear? Understanding? Chalo. Next we'll go for the De Moivre's theorem. De Moivre's theorem, what exactly De Moivre's theorem says to us? Simple guys, कुछ नहीं बोलता है. De Moivre's theorem ने बोलता है कि भाई cos theta plus I sin theta all to the power of n. Okay? Cos theta plus I sin theta all to the power of n. ये सीधा, look at this n straight away come and just sit beside of cos theta and sin theta. उसको बहुत पसंद है cos and sin के बाजू में बैठने के लिए. ठीक है? Understanding my point? So look at this here, cos n theta plus I sin n theta. ये हो गया हमारा क्या? De Moivre's theorem. इसका प्रूफ क्या है? What is the proof of this? ठीक है? What is the proof of this, guys? Look at this here, n है ना? Here n is belongs to all integer. N is belongs to all integers. Getting my point? Two people are waiting in the room. Arvind Raja, kitna? From how many devices you are attending the class, man? Or Arvind Raja? From how many devices you are attending the class? चलो, so cos theta plus I sin theta, right? So what is the proof? इसका proof क्या है? देखेंगे proof भी. Guys, look at this here. This can be written as what? Can I write this one as e power of I theta all to the power of n? This can be written as what? This can be written as e to the power of I theta all to the power of n. Yes or no? Of course yes. So e to the power of I n theta लिख देंगे ना इसको. हमारे पास दो पावर है भाई, हमारे पास दो पावर है. Whenever we are having two powers, I'll be simply multiplying those two powers, as simple as that. So look at this now. Again, it is looking like e power of I theta format. So how can I write it now? How can I write it now? Simple guys, cos e power of I theta format, cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Yes or no? Yes or no? Can we write? हम लिखेंगे कि नहीं भाई?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, very good. चलो, right answer. चलो, ये हमारा proof हो गया. This is what our proof. Guys, are you feeling any, troubling to understand Hindi? Any one of you?
No, sir.
So मेरा हिंदी तो बहुत कॉमेडी है यार. So it looks very comedy, right? So,
No, sir.
कोई ना. चलो ठीक है. देखो भाई, अभी हम लोग let us solve an example now. Let us solve an example. We'll go with the example. So cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power of 8. इसको हम लोग कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? देखो ये it is looking like cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of n. क्वेश्चन को आइडेंटिफाई करने में बहुत मजा आता है. ठीक है? First, let us understand. Let us identify the question. That what kind of format question is that? This is my De Moivre's theorem format question. Why? Because sometimes he might give, he will give like this: sin theta plus I cos theta whole to the power of n. अरे भाई, it is looking like De Moivre's theorem. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे इसको अभी? sin n theta plus I cos n theta लिखो भाई, वो बड़ा ऐसा करके ऐसा करके ऐसा ऐसा देगा मार्क्स. ठीक है? समझ रहा है? This is बिल्कुल wrong. So don't write like that. So first try to understand what exactly the standard form. What exactly the standard form of that De Moivre's theorem. Look at this. What is the standard form? पहला cos आना चाहिए. ठीक है? First we must get cos theta plus I sin theta, where n is belongs to integer. Getting my point? Proof we have given you, right? So next, look at this now. So let us solve this question by using De Moivre's theorem. Let us solve this question by using De Moivre's theorem. Cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power of 8. How can we solve this now? This can be solved cos 8 pi by 4 8 will combine sit beside of sine and cos functions. So plus I sine 8 pi by 4. So 4 ones, 4 twos, 4 ones, 4 twos. So cos 2 pi plus I sine 2 pi, which is going to be my final answer. Look at this. So cos 2 pi का आंसर क्या होता है? What exactly the answer of cos 2 pi, which means cos 180 degrees. Cos 180 means cos 360, sorry, cos 360 plus I sin 360. So what is the sin 360, cos 360 answer? Cos 360 answer is 1. I sin 360 is sin 360 0. Cos 360 1 plus I is 0 1. This is my final answer. 1 is my final answer, guys. Let us have a look at this. This is my final answer. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt? Any doubt here? Tell me. Any doubts?
No.
Chalo. Next, we'll solve this question. We'll solve this question. Look at this here. Simplify 1 plus root 3 I whole to the power of 3. हाँ, इसको कैसे सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे? बहुत मजा आने वाला है भाई. देखो, look at this. 1 plus root 3 I whole to the power of 3. This is the question, isn't it? हाँ, देखो. Everyone, please try to understand here. So let me take z as 1 plus root 3i. Right? You keep 3 as it is here. Don't worry. What is modulus of z here? What is modulus of z?
Root 1 square plus root 3 square.
What I'm going to get? Modulus of z is equal to 2. Isn't it? 2.
Yes,
Yes or no? So root 4, which is going to give me 2. So now look at this. What is my polar form? Z is equal to R is equal to Z is equal to R times of cos theta plus I times of sin theta. So what is my R cos theta here? R cos theta is what? 1. देखो भाई, R cos theta. R sin theta is what here? What is R sin theta? Tell me, ma. Root 3. Root 3. Look at this now. What is my R here? This is equal to R. Whatever you get, modulus of Z is equal to R is equal to 2. So 2 times of cos theta plus equal to 1. So cos theta is what here? 1 by 2. So theta is what here? In cos function 1 by 2, when I'm going to get? Pi by cos 60. Look at this here. Sin root 3 by 2. R value 2 hai na? So what I'm going to get now? Sin theta. What I'm going to get here? Sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means when I'm going to get root 3 by 2? Sin 60. Sin will get cancelled. Again theta pi by 3 only. So pi by 3 I'm getting. So what I understood from this now? What I understood from this? So what is my Z value given as per? What is Z? 1 plus root 3i whole to the power of 3 given. So in place of 1 plus root 3, let us substitute this now. Look at this one. So what I got 2. R value what I got 2 into cos theta, how much? Cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 whole to the power of 3. I'm just taking this. I'm substituting in that. Or else you write here. Z is equal to R cos theta plus I sin theta, right? So I'm substituting there. So this is what I got. So now after getting this, how can I write like that? Look at this here. Now just tell me whether it is looking like in the form of De Moivre's theorem or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So look at this here. Z is equal to 2 as it is. I'm writing. So what is going to happen now? Cos 3 pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. I sin 3 pi by 3. Sorry. So 3 will get cancelled. 3 will get cancelled here. So 2 into cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi how much? -1. I told you. Sin pi how much? 0. Answer is going to be -2. Answer is going to be what? -2. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
not minus 2. We have whole power of 3 here. So we forgot that 3. So whole power of 3. So minus 2 power of whole 3. Minus 2 whole to the power of 3. Answer is going to be what? Minus 8. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Any doubts? Any doubts here? Tell me. Any doubts? भाई कुछ ना कुछ बात करो. Talk something. कुछ तो भी बोलिए भाई.
No
चलो
doubt, sir.
चलो next. हाँ next. Look at this next question. We'll solve the next question. Simplify 1 plus I to the power of 100. Make it fast. Let us see. Take this as Z. Find modulus of Z, which you are going to get what? Root 2. And Z is equal, I know that R times of cos theta plus I sin theta. Compare this thing with this. I'm going to get R cos theta is equal to 1. R sin theta is equal to 1. Make it fast. So what is going to be theta here? Tell me. By looking at the equation straight away, you must tell the answer. What is the answer? Tell me. Theta is what? What is going to be my theta? What is going to be my theta, guys? Huh?
So pi by 2.
How pi by 2, man? How pi by 2? Tell me. Array, use your common sense. Look at this here. What I'm going to get here? R value is what here? This is going to be R, right? Modulus of Z. So R is going to be root 2. Cos theta is equal to 1. So my cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So sin theta is equal to what? Also 1 by root 2. 1 by R means. So sin theta 1 by 2 means sin theta 1 by root 2 means sin 44. Can I write? So 45. Sin se will get theta is pi by 4. Everyone must learn tomorrow cos pi by 4 also 1 by root 2 only. So everyone must learn all the trigonometry degrees. Getting my point? Theta value is what? Pi by 4. Any doubt here? Any doubt? Any doubt, guys?
No, no,
Look
sir.
at this now. So what can I write now? What is my Z is equal to R. R means root 2. Cos theta. Theta means pi by 4. Plus I sin theta means what? Pi by 4. Whole to the power of 100 given. Whole to the power of 100 given. Look at the question. All right. So let me write whole to the power of 100 here. So what can I write now? Root 2 whole to the power of 100 and cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power of 100. So how can I write now? Root 2 whole to the power of 100 is what? Root 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 100 into, now it is looking like De Moivre's theorem format. This one. So can I write now cos 100 into pi into 5 by 4. I sin 100 into pi by 4. I can write like that by using De Moivre's theorem. So now 4 ones 425s, 4 ones 425s. So 2 ones 250s. So 2 to the power of 50 into cos 25 pi plus I sin 25 pi. So cos 25 pi, how much? Oh, very big value. See here, everyone knows that cos will be repeating after every 180 degrees. So cos value, what I'm going to get here? Cos 25 pi. So 2 to the power of 50. Let us check, look at this here. 2 to the power of 50 we got. Cos 25 after cos will be repeating after every 180 degrees. So can I write this as cos pi simply I sin pi? So 2 to the power of 50. 2 to the power of 50. Cos pi is what? -1 plus 0. So minus 2 to the power of 50 is my answer. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt here? Any doubt? Tell me.
Sir, can you once again explain this after cos 25 pi plus sin?
Look at this here. Cos will be repeating after every cos and sin function will be repeating after every what degrees? Do you know this graph? See here, you will be understanding in the trigonometry lesson actually. You'll be having cos graphs like this. Sin graphs will be like this. So which means what? Sin value will be repeating after every 180 degrees like this, or every 90 degrees. Cos will be repeating after every 180 degrees. So here pi by 2, 0, pi by 2, again like this pi, it will be having like that. So you will be understanding in your trigonometry chapter. Getting my point? So cos 25 pi, how much? Cos, if you find 25 into 180, 25 into 180, how much? 18 5 is 90, 18 2 is 36, 36 plus 9, how much? 45. So 4,500. So cos 4,500 you must find. How can you find cos 4,500? Very, very big value, right? So instead of that, I'm using a strategy here by using cos and sin graphs. Getting my point? So this is how I'm getting cos pi means -1, sin pi means 0, -1 into 2 to the power of 50, which is going to give me -2 to the power of 50. That is my answer. Getting my point, children? Any doubt? Any doubt?
Yes. Sir, Arvind is on waiting room, sir, is admitting to join.
Okay, so this is what today's class is all about. So I'll share these notes, guys. You can just find it out, these notes. You can just take these notes, find it out, and we have one question, this one. And at least, guys, today you solve exercise of complex numbers, and next class we'll be discussing what are problems of JEE problems of complex numbers. Getting my point? This is the today's session is all about. So let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. And Arvind, you might have missed the couple of things. So please try to understand, finish everyone. See, everyone must finish your homework, which is exercise, whatever the chapter you have. Complex number first exercise. Please go through that. Clear? First and second exercise. Everyone, first, complex number first and second exercise, everyone must finish. Getting my point? Chalo, let's retire. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye. I have next class right now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.